Please forgive me. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay. Take this. Come on. Come to Father. Who's this? Don't do it. Shut up, boy. You're my brother, Boss. Don't do it. Can't you see? He's poisoning you. Shut up, man. Do it, boss. Tim can delay the boss. Mas não pega onde você. Você. Vuga ndo too late.
Jumper City lapha.
Sikasuke kugeza manje, sokani. Ukran.
Vatlam ligreni mfethu.
So vuga.
Wena mfana. Uselekta wena.
Fatero si. Wende dikipa. Ede play.
So mfana good le babe sibongile o.
Aha. Bazongitshela ngosibuzo. Lokho ngisazi bekuthi abantwana. All pass. Perfect pass. Nami phela futhi umshaya abantu.
Boy. Wena unjasani ne?
Sekona kubajida.
Sure baba. Sure.
Angithi ngikutshela ukuthi imali ngithumela losizo. So yazwakala.
Sikabathi nhlanje.
Manje uthatha imali yami ngayile out yakho.
Sizwe izifamily, dafanele simncede lo muntu.
Don't push my end of it. And I'll tell you how come on.
Mavusani, it's late mfethu. Ulatha.
Sure. Hamba ndoda uzoba late.
Narva. Vosatani mhlanifu.
We came to today. And when is that guy coming to open the gate?
Yeah, you know Angus. He's going to take his time. Anyway, you never see Jean Kapampa today. I can say what getting with like really mindset a positive comment.
Yeah, well, Tabi, but I always tell you that maths is practice.
Yeah, practice. I can tell you hand.
But if you can only dump that guy Vusi and concentrate on your schoolwork.
Really? Okay.
Kuchala ngakuba at least Satan.
Mabebetsi ba uba sige.
Vusi, please.
Unyanyisa wena.
So Mavusani, that's fine.
It's fine.
Babies! FG Bar. Very. Dan mo aja boss. Kapan? Pichaka. Very kanjani boss.
Ubani matoko? Itsetse.
Very kanjani boss. Ah, mara ntwana. Ke we santse di friend di tshwarene ka teng ntwana.
Kahle ufunana natona.
Hayi man check man mfana. Ika intwana ya ka Mavusani. Ke batla no mo rinyana bo. Ke mgabe mo 50 la, ke mlahle da skile.
Yazi ukuthina sana. Before you regret ne, do yourself a favor. Hlola Vusi. Yanginyanyisa. Hola boy.
Hey, Taylor.
Hello.
Hello, Ndinda.
Ukren.
I'm sure.
Yeah man, hey, how nice to see you. It's been a while, ne?
Ish.
Hey, yeah.
Sharp.
Hey. So not that for how long you've been waiting?
No, it's quite a few minutes.
Oh, not only if you knew Akiwa and land.
Who knew?
Yeah. You and daughter. Yeah, it's been a while, eh? Sure.
Twana baningi, uningi ri emimo. Iba yona ntwana eMavusani uteng ka yi.
Yeah, sure.
Sasa. Le ni apare dintho tsa segila yi. Maro great ntwana ka school uniform. Fresh.
You know, I told you that There's no other way that they wouldn't show geometry. If you really wanted to know it, you should have come to my place yesterday, and I should have shown you how to do it.
Yeah, I failed it anyway.
Yendwa. Ngwano asingwano Thembi. Nontabi.
Rantwana le, uzwisisa. Trust me man, usuzoyibulala. Sentap. Ukuphuza.
Mike versus keeper.
Iksi.
Mavusana. Awi tlogele di man. Ke ntwana e. Ena re nna go fa direng a re vai.
So boy. Uzoqhubeka ngesigilo uzofuna umsebenzi.
Ish, bro. Angazi. But I think working is the best option.
Yazi uthini mfethu? If usase serious ngokuqhubeka ngesigilo na. Uzakhuluma neJoni, akhulume neprincipal wakhe.
Anyway, ukuphi yena? Yini? Is it something I said?
Nah, boy. Yazi, I'm worried about Uvusi. He's completely changed. He's turned into this monster. So ngiyacela mfowethu, if uyayithola ichance ne, ngikhulumele naye umuzwe ukuthi uthini. Ngoba mina ichance yokukhuluma naye ngithola. Ngena. What's wrong?
So waiter. Uncle let's say chuda. Uncle let's call you one in it. Sharp.
Hi guys.
Hey.
Don't pagi. Bavela ngomcofi.
Uchongwanu. Thwana ngwanu ntwana.
Hayi baba.
Fitile la.
Hayi baba. Nama. Kanjani busi? Busi, yakusema musana.
Yeah.
Bahleka shwana yini ngala madumons wakho? Ngiyadlala mfowethu. Sokuthi izinto serious. Ngiyadlala.
Jwala ngapsa.
Kusema Mavusana. Kini ntwana uyava? Mavi. Mavusana. Kini ntwana?
Tabi, I mean, where are you? I'm here, at your house. I need my book. I have to go study. It's cold here. I only give you 5 minutes, and that's it. Okay. Vusi, I was just here to fetch my book. I promise I will leave it forever. No, I promise I will leave it forever. Class. Please, Vusi, don't kill me.
Ngumshebile ntwana okayi ntwani.
Ha ke a thola fethu. Ke batlile kaofela la. Ha ke a thola.
Mshebile gogotlhe, umshebile ntwana. Mshebile gogotlhe ntwana.
Sure.
Jesus. Arver kene trero kena transing re vai once.
I was from school, going home. Everything was normal. Until they couldn't let me in. You know why? Because they were inside, poisoned to death.
You did not answer my question.
Since then, Ntabi has been there for me. She made sure that I'm not homeless. And also that I don't sleep without eating.
Wabona Didi? Wabona vile next 2 minutes. October sasa.
So, wachama mcheli tena ile chiro le raka.
Ngalo cherlo ya ish. Kodwa umbona no nakomashesera yabona. Zalunga izinto ndoda.
So anyway, ukubuvusi.
Ngena. No.
Hey! Vusi, it's nice to see you, man.
So nini ndaba wena? Anoncheli. Ubambe.
Jonathan. Yini inkinga yakho? Ufika nokufika late la uzokhuluma into zakho la uzozenzela umathanda. The boy.
No, it's fine. Tomorrow I'll pack my bags and I'll go. The thing is, I don't want to be a problem fit. I'm fun by inkinga here.
Nena. Awinda. Ungumndeni. So don't mind yonke lento lovusa yenzayo. Yes. Just feel free.
Basi. Basi. Basi lady.
Please, Ntabi, just go away.
Ingi?
You are nothing but trouble. Go away.
Basi. Rosa batla mpulela mnyako. King kwenzeng? Basi.
Just get away from me.
Basi.
You are nothing but trouble.
Akutlisisi. Kuyenzeng basi? Basi.
You are just trouble. Just get away.
Wetseng akutlisisi. Ke bang o entseng so? Who did this to you?
Are you satisfied? Are you happy now?
Phela ba childish ntse gore ke mang o entseng so?
You beat me. And he said, please, Ntabi, just leave.
Give us a second. Ke no entseng so?
If he sees me here with you, he will kill me. Just leave, Ntabi.
Oh,
Endot. Le awuthizovani.
kanti awungamameli wena Vusi. First, you understand ukuthi the death of our parents has been so bad to you. But not carrying on like this, you are really losing it, man. How? This was family. Just accept it.
Mina ufuna umndeni. And le out yakho le yangiyanyisa.
Just. Oh, Sizwe. Gran. No, thanks for the tea, man. Hey, Vusi. 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 I don't mind, ndoda. Mind.
No, it's fine.
Anyway, thanks, nah. Oh, God.
Thank you, Sissy. You're a heartless coward, Vusi. You're a murderer.
Ushiyela ukuthiwa
Kufedile. It's over, Vusi.
Trust in the Lord, my son. Even if I die, know that I'll never forget you. I'll always be there for you.
Firi.
Kanti uyakhala?
No, ngicrying. Yini? Ufuna uvusa?
Ya, ukuphi?
Awusaphumile.
Kanti le ntwana le yahlanya le. Dankie mfethu, zokuqava.
Sizwe. Hawu. Futhi
I made up my mind, mfethu.
Ndoda, angithi sikhulumile ngale ndaba le. Angithi sikhulumile. Ngishilo ngathi ungahlala la endlini akunankingi. Manje yini?
Ngiyavaya.
Ndoda angithi ngikutshelile ukuthi ungahlala la. Ozodla ndoda zwakala. Zwakala.
Fusi, please. Please don't kill me.
Chatsi mo oktober. Okay, there mo ichallenge abo na kya bor.
Tabi was here, and I just told her to go.
Mfethu. Utsantse go no kya mona. Maka cheka no. Kuna le wena. Ene ke tlogile. Ene ka se ba sitse. Ka baka la hao.
But you can still go to school. You can still do it. I mean, she loves you, dude.
Wacaba ngitshathi. Hancangwe.
Please, Fusi.
Eh? So no. Go border, son. Basi. Ntwana. Toba vai. Disappearing.
Hi, Nthabi.
Hello, Lucky Jean.
I'm just worried about Fusi. Fusi wa ngola today. And I had skill.
Maybe busy or something.
Fusi hloka thuso Nthabi. Maybe when sent to wrong. And I can fela ka mo thusang.
Wow. I can't remember something in next side, even.
Yeah, I will tell you everything.
Okay, in kwenzakalani? Wenzeni Vusi?
Ngifuna akazazi ukuthi uthanda abantu. Ngithe ukuphi uvusi? Uzongathi uvusi ukuphi or not?
No, he's not around. Phumile, man. Please.
Sis. Ngisakurasa la ngenzela.
The lady was about to explain, and I think it's got something to do with Vusi.
Okay.
Thabi. Yini etshintshe ngovusi? Kwenzakalani ngaye? Uvusi udinga usizo. Bapha abazali benu. Sizo. Do you mind excusing us?
No, it's fine. Uzomalanga phambi.
So what more do you know about Ufus?
Sasiyiwe nasifika.
Yeah, ngisaseyifed.
Asikisi.
Yazi Vusi ngikutshele mina. Angikusabi. Yini? Uzongibulala? Bulala bezazali bakho, eh? Yazi Vusi such a stupid, useless fool.
Evus! Uyahlanya wena. Yini into yenzayo? Ngikhuluma nawe, yini into yenzayo? Yini into yenzayo? Vusi! Vusi! Vusi!
Dola. Entolisto.
Makatla. Man, Mavusan. Ke ngintwana skipana. Batla amo late iso.
Futhi skipper lapha ku.
Ntwana skipani. Late iso boy. Late intwana.
Ndoda. Sengena uri kanjani lapha ku?
Ngintwana grind.
Natonringa ungafuni ungena yipe.
Sharp. Tsena lapha.
Vusi must pay for this.
That man doesn't deserve to be around you, man. He should rot in jail.
This is njani manje? Lezinto yakubuleki buhlungu. Tammy. Shabini guys, leave it in the room.
Boy. Njani?
Ish.
Unamanga si esho mfethu, uzoba umnandi la. Yeah. Ah boy hard ne. Hard.
Onje. Batlogayiwe ka intwana.
Ubona nondoda sengikhuruwet. Uzobona ukuthi ngiyava. And ngiphuma kanjani kule nyabanyaba mfethu.
Ntwana, that's nonsense, man. That's nonsense. Ntwana, sansuvaye ntwana. uye kuntwana yesizwe ntwana uapologize ubonisa gore wena ntwana you are a man enough ntwana o emele mfana umonisa gore responsible for the action tsa gago ntwana
adade ngeke ngitsho nitola angeke ngitsho lasemzini le ntwana lena uyisisile lamasimba lona ngiyakutshela ndoda and green le ntwana le even serious
hayi mavusana mavi ntwana na I don't care son I don't care gore direct ngicadile ke mang a shapile mampili ke mang a entse mvatvate ntwana I don't care but I still believe you should go there ntwana o apologize ntwana
ndoda mina at this moment ndoda ngixwala isupport lakho ndoda
sure
ngixwala isupport lakho nje
sure
mara ngeke ngivange ngifrizana nelintwana le serious ngiyangithola so ntwana ithi mina ngivayo ngiyangithola semzini mina ngizokubona ngiyangithola ngizokubona semzini ngiyangithola ngizokubona mfethu ukile great
esemavusana
sure
Don, that's even Don or you are a man enough, son. And you'll do what is good and what's best for you, son. See you, Don.
Aliki kaset poranjengaleli.
Hawu unqono musona ngoba unovusi.
Asilale phansi.
Kwenzakaleni?
Angifuni ukuzwa lutho njengalo.
Hawu mngani wami, kwenzakaleni?
Nangiyeza.
hello
Hey vusi.
athi ukhuluma noThabo bana
Okay, tsimshiya ne.
Bye.
Nthabi bona ngiyacaba kumfitha I'm the last person you want to see now wabo
Ngoba tlang vusi.
Nthabi ngiyacaba ukuthi beke ntike ditshuna mfethu be di secret wabo so make bona kumfethu kijike kitle ku fries evivi
Vusi please, ke kopo tsamaye.
Nthabi I've been wrong so mfethu kopa tshware
Ke kopo tsamaye vusi.
Nthabi please kakopa Nthabi kakopa
Have a safe journey.
mfethu size nothing ngiyacaba ukuthi mfethu kwamaya ufuna ukubona mfethu if you deserve it mfethu bheka yini nothing ngiyacaba ukuthi ndoda for the past days indoda bengitshuna amaflow ngiyakuthola mfethu so mfethu manje ngizwakalile ngizofuna forgiveness until
Mfethu, you expect me to forgive you after what you did to me? I don't think I can.
size ndoda ngifuna ukuthi manje ndoda sibe family angithola ndoda sibe nepeace ndoda angithola ukuthi sikwazi ukontinue nge-life mfana ngacula mfethu
Naloto ufunani la?
andoda ngizwakala kuzofrase forgiveness
Apologize. After what you did to him. Yazi Vusi, you even got the nerve to step into this house. Uzoxolisa. Awuphume la.
Ndoda ngiyazama mfethu.
Ngithi awuphume man.
Ngiyazama ukuthi manje ndoda ngilungise izinto mfethu. Kube nepeace lapha emzini. Mawe uyafika nje ufahla ke endleleni. Anakena yini ndoda? Khohla ngokufrizile lady.
Ufuna ungilalele boy. Ungilalele kahle. Ngikwenzile lo ngikwenzile. I made who you are. Namhlanje. Noma sengihambile. Ufuna ube yini? Ube mina. Uwe boy. I see me. And when days are tough on you,
Viyane.
Una plan nje ukuthi singayenza just for today nje.
Next.
Better like us. Maruva uvusi ntana.
Nami angazi ukuthi uyevave.
Kumele sithole la man maybe you will yeah. Just keep it true.
hey look. Sale. Acela umpetsa diputsa fa.
Ayekse. Senavaya manje. Ningishiya la. Ayilakhi.
Tlametsa lo chintsha lo mfethu.
Suka incane namajita mina. Hayi.
Hey! Hi! I was just reading a novel.
Don't go on to doing fashion.
Nah, I don't think that's a very good idea.
No, whatever it is, Sangitat. Something in Hamburg change.
Okay.
So, tell me about Sizwe.
Sizwe is a wonderful guy. Down to earth, quiet, and loving.
Wow. It seems like he's a wonderful guy, I can say. What?
Tabi, I fell in love with you the first moment I laid my eyes on you. You charmed your way into my heart. Tabi,
I know.
Skapaiza mfana kavaya.
Futhi ngitshayele rava. Kana nna ke lapile no.
Eba, ungringa batlo vaya ne. Ava.
Okay.
So, tell me about your parents.
in the factory where my mother was working in, Abespanela Corner, Asha, and they managed to save most of the people. She was burned to death.
I am so sorry.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
And your father?
Except clever! Except! Hey, wait! And get skipper, Niso.
There's nothing to do with you.
Hey, wait, Nasan. Skaba leko bulele na kamkhong. Elo runya gore ke tswa ka mo go clap mfana o tswele pele o bulela ga kamkhosa.
Try it, man.
Eh? Hamba ke ntone sa. Santse ntle ke tshele vusi sa. Sure.
Yebo gogo. Angiyaphila njani wena? Zonke izinto zihamba right ngapho. Okay makhulu. No, I is right here. Yeah, ikhona enye i-opportunity ayitholile lapha kwenye ikhampani so esebenza ngeinsimbi. Yeah, most definitely vele lapho umsebenza ngothola. Okay, no, akunankinga gogo. Uhleli kahle. Yeah, no, right here. Okay, go. Okay, bye-bye, go. Namnyaktan. Okay, bye-bye. Okay.
Clovers. Come on, boys. I'm taking a leg the whole day.
What's your name?
No. Skipper. Ke for eng e ready?
Ndoda bona ready. Le ndoda le ngokubonga ngayo ndoda. Ngithola. Shit mangugaye yena ngoba ndoda ngivise yakade ngithola. So ndoda ngithi thank you ready.
Ke eng mara mafusana ntwana? O ringa o ka re ntwana ka osane ke a shwa. O re wena wa shwa ntwana ka osane.
Fethu. Wamele ngivaye mina manje. Ngithola. So mfana mina ngizokubona ndoda. Ilaki.
Give vibe kid. Don't hold on here. Yeah, good. Don't hold on here. Give vibe.
Evuse. Emavusana. Abona ntwana isizwe. Ngawula cherry yawo yenthabi mfana.
So boy, how was Boksburg? You enjoyed it?
Yeah, hey, Boksburg is quite a nice place, I can say.
Okay.
Yeah, he really enjoyed himself.
Nina? Yeah. Hi. Yona son, since from nini mangena la ndlini ungagogodi?
Isizwe. Sure. Ngitshela ukuthi ngifuni wena sana. Ngizocela ukunyanyisa manje namasimbi uchunayo. Ngimfere kahle kahle. Noyithuka ngimfuni. Ngithola ngoba ngangithola vi. Uzanibona. Ngimnawo. Apho ngithola khona uzoginqa bese.
Ungavani mfana. Uzenza ubusakuthusa.
Angazongithusa. Mzile ukuthi utheni?
Manje uzoyava.
Ngizobona. As long as I see myself out of this place.
Let's wait on the time. Angasebenzisa until izinto zibesettle.
Take care of yourself, boy.
Tabi, you've been really supportive to me, and I appreciate it. But I can't be responsibility, and I have to fight my own battles.
I love you, Caesar. And if it means that I have to sacrifice everything that I've got, then I will, just to be with you. So, Ntembi Suguti, we'll get through this together. Just promise me.
Ntabi. You know what? Can't imagine my life without you, okay? I love you, Ntabi.
Bakuphi?
Yazi ukuthini Vusi? Uyangena la endlini. The next thing uxosha uSizwe. What's got into you, ndoda?
Ndoda ungazindini.
Masibhekile ndoda. Uzitshela ukuthi uzofika apha ngale nto le.
Ungazindini ndoda.
I've never seen this in you. As your brother, ngiyakutshela mfethu. You're stupid. Useless. Fool. Uyangizwa? Vusi. Relax, boy. You know you do not want to do this. Relax, boy. Vusi!
Mfethu Thami. 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 Ya wena Sinayi. Green lone. Fresh. Baba mfungwe lichira. Ngayifaka up life yami nasana.
As in Vusi, why don't you spare yourself the embarrassment and sing Iqoveli X? As in Vusi, you don't deserve to be with Ntabi.
Ntabi. Ngiyarata sana.
Kate, it's over. We can't be together. It's over.
So ifinjalo ke. Mina ndoda. Angimtholi Ntabi ndoda. Ayikhipha izomthola ke.
You know, Vusi, come on, Fit. Uzongibulala. Come on, Fit. Mara anyway, uchuna kwabazali bakho.
Listen, Vusi. You're such a fool. Yeah.
understand? Since from in Mangena, I'm not good. You understand? Uyahlanya. Masimba Mpunda wayenzayo. Ah man, this guy. No man.
Okay. Okay. Just get away from me. Okay.
Your friend is here. Stand here. Yeah.